Hey John, Nick from Sherwood Kia here. Hope you're having a good night. Like I said in my previous email, I just wanted to send you a quick video so I can show off some of the amazing upgrades to the Stinger I have here behind me. And also this way you can put a face to a name. So let's go ahead and take a look. So starting off on the front end here, you can see you're gonna have the front diffuser, side skirt or front splitter, whatever you wanna call it. And you're also gonna have the Nitto Motivo ultra high performance all season tires and the Aluma 19-inch black alloy rims. So I think blacked out rims make this thing look absolutely amazing. And as we go along the side of the vehicle here, you'll see you got the tires staggered a little bit on the back. It's a little tight in the showroom here, John, so I'm gonna do my best to show off the spoiler here. So you can see a little lip there as well for some extra downforce. And then your rear diffuser as well with the Borla Catback Exhaust system housed directly inside of it. So this is a beautiful, beautiful choice, John, that you've made here. One of a kind vehicle, nothing else like it on the road. And what I think really, really tops it off, just puts the whole look together, is this black vinyl roof wrap. So I'll go ahead and give you a kind of above view from the front as well. There you go. All right, John, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope that clears up some of the confusion for you. This is the last 2019 we have GT Limited, so get in contact with me if you have any further questions or if you'd like to come take it for a test drive. Once again, my name is Nick, and you can reach me here at the dealership. The number is 780-449-4499. Have a good night.